OnePlus Ace 5 Pro. Launching on December 31, 2024, this device isn't just a smartphone, it's a powerhouse that blends style, performance, and innovation into one sleek package. From jaw-dropping display specs to next-level performance, this phone is set to turn heads. Curious to know what makes it so special? Let's break it all down. Let's kick things off with the design and build. When it comes to first impressions, the OnePlus Ace 5 Pro nails it. Imagine holding a device with a glass front and back, both shielded by crystal shield glass for added protection. The aluminum frame gives it a sturdy yet premium feel, and its sleek dimensions, 161.7 by 75.8 by 8.1 millimeters, make it a joy to hold. Weighing 203 to 217 grams, it feels just right, not too heavy, not too light. Oh, and here's a bonus, it's IP65 dust and water resistant. So, whether you're caught in the rain or have butterfingers near a puddle, this phone's got your back. And now, let's talk about the display, the heart of any smartphone experience. The 6.78-inch LTPO AMOLED screen is nothing short of spectacular. It offers a 120 Hz refresh rate for buttery smooth scrolling and animations, supports 1 billion colors, and brings your content to life with HDR10 and Dolby Vision. The brightness? Insane! With a peak of 4,500 nits, it's like carrying a mini theater in your pocket. Whether you're outdoors under the blazing sun or binge-watching your favorite series in bed, this display doesn't disappoint. What about performance? Brace yourselves, under the hood, the OnePlus Ace 5 Pro is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, one of the fastest processors out there. The octa-core CPU isn't just fast, it's a beast, with clock speeds reaching up to 4.32 GHz. The Adreno 830 GPU ensures top-tier graphics performance, making it perfect for gaming and multitasking. Whether you're crushing opponents in online games or editing videos, this phone handles it all with ease. And the cherry on top? It runs on Android 15 with ColorOS 15, offering a smooth, intuitive, and customizable user interface. Let's dive into storage and RAM, because more is always better. The OnePlus Ace 5 Pro offers storage options that range from 256 GB to a whopping 1 TB, paired with 12 GB or 16 GB of RAM. This means no more worrying about running out of space for your photos, videos, or apps. And with UFS 4.0 storage, you get lightning-fast read and write speed. Now, onto the camera setup, because who doesn't love a good photo? The 50MP main camera is a showstopper. It comes with OIS for stable, sharp shots and excels in low-light conditions. The 8MP ultra-wide lens ensures no one gets left out of group photos, and the 2MP macro lens is perfect for those close-up, detailed shots. Video enthusiasts will love the 4K recording at 60 frames per second and the silky smooth Euro EIS stabilization. For selfies, the 16MP front camera does a fantastic job, making sure you always look your best. Moving on to audio and connectivity, the stereo speakers deliver rich, immersive sound, making it perfect for watching movies or listening to music without needing headphones. Speaking of headphones, there's no 3.5mm jack, but the Bluetooth 5.4 with aptX HD ensures crystal clear wireless audio. For connectivity, you've got Wi-Fi 7, NFC, and an impressive range of positioning systems like GPS, GLONASS, and Galileo, ensuring you're always on track, literally. Finally, let's talk about battery life, because what's power without endurance? The 6,100 mAh battery is a monster that keeps you going all day. And when you do need to charge, the 100W wired charging speeds are mind-blowing, 55% in just 15 minutes and a full charge in 35 minutes. Whether you're a heavy gamer or just hate being tethered to a charger, this phone is a dream come true. And there you have it, the OnePlus Ace 5 Pro in all its glory. With a price tag of around €450, this phone is not just a device, it's a statement. From its stunning design and display to its powerhouse performance and camera capabilities, it's clear that OnePlus has outdone itself. Now the big question, would you pick the Ace 5 Pro as your next smartphone? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you're as excited about this as I am, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on the latest gadgets. Until next time, stay tech savvy.